Welcome to Radiopidemic, Season 1, Tales from the Congress Avenue Bridge. This fall, the Austin Community College Drama and Creative Writing departments are going backward to move forward. Amid the coronavirus pandemic and lockdown, we are going old school for our departmental productions this year. We're leaning into a tried and trusted form, the radio drama. This fall, we'll present stories by, about, and around the Congress Avenue Bridge. The 12-part weekly series of short audio plays written by ACC creative writing students and local professional playwrights imagines this landmark at the center of Austin, Texas, as a backdrop for stories about the people crossing it. Bridges are magical places, holding secret the stories of those who cross them. Episode 1, McConaughey, written by Kyra Abbe, performed by Ethan Wade, Joe Kelley, and Kaleb Williams. Scene 1, Congress Bridge.
Why isn't my screw going in straight?
Maybe you're not using the drill right?
Shut up! Of course I'm doing it right. Maybe you're just holding the board wrong.
Uh-oh. Is the little Ryan a little grumpy?
Yeah, I'm grumpy. It's almost 100 degrees out here. I'm sweating like a hooker in a Catholic church. It's bad enough that we have to spend our frickin' Saturday building these frickin' benches for these ungrateful jerks on this frickin' hot sidewalk. Why do we have to do it while wearing these frickin' stiff uniforms?
That's not the Eagle Scout spirit, Ryan. Don't you want people to be able to watch the bats in comfort?
Would me ramming this drill into your eyeball align with the Eagle Scout spirit? I don't care if they watch the bats sitting down on these crappy benches, or if they watch the bats at the bottom of the lake.
Well, do you have any better idea for a project? It's not too late to switch.
No. This is the fastest project. Or it would be if these frickin' people quit bumping us. Now, hold the board straight this time. The quicker we get this done, the sooner I can move past this whole Boy Scout crap. I'm almost a man.
Man Scout doesn't have the same flow as Boy Scout.
What? I swear to God, Danny, just hold the board straight before I ram it up your ass.
Yeah, fine.
Ow! What the hell? I thought you said you were holding it.
Sorry, but I think that man over there is about to jump off the bridge.
Forget about him. There are plenty of people around to help. Let's just finish this. Hey, Danny, get back here.
Hey, mister. Don't do it. Don't jump.
Don't try and stop me, muchacho. I've got this.
We can talk about this. Just let me help you.
You wouldn't understand, kid. It's gonna be all right. Let me do this.
No, it's my duty as a scout to help those in need. Talk to me. I'll literally do anything to help you. Wait. I know you.
No, you don't know me. Just let me do what I need to do. I got this.
No, I mean I literally know you. You're Oscar-winning Texas legend Matthew McConaughey.
All right. Thanks for recognizing me, amigo.
All right.
Don't do that. Only I get to say that.
Oh, sorry. Why are you doing this, Mr. Matthew McConaughey? Aren't you supposed to be coaching the UT basketball game, now that you're the assistant coach and all?
I was coaching the game. That's why I'm here. I let everyone down. I let down the fans, the children, and the big man upstairs.
I don't understand.
Well, we had a flawless season. We were like kings of the sport. When we played it was amazing. Athletes running up and down the court. It was like watching a pack of wolves hunting their prey in the dead of winter. Ow! But then in the blink of an eye, we lost it all. Lost it to the river bats.
I didn't know they had a basketball team.
Neither did I.
Ouch. So, why are you here?
Well, Precisely 7 minutes after we lost them, the fans began turning and facing me. Before I knew it, I had the eyes of Texas upon me. Over in a corner, there was a little old woman shaking her head at me. It was as if I had taken one of her final moments of happiness and crushed it before her eyes. You follow?
Not really.
Now, stay with me. Like a tidal wave, whoosh! The fans in the stadium began rising to their feet. Have you ever seen a tidal wave before? Because I have. Twice. It was like thunder as they began running down from the stand. In that moment, I knew that I had two choices. I could run or I could face them like a man.
What did you do?
Yeah, I traded one of my shoes for the Bevo costume and I ski-daddled out of there during ACC's Clog Dance Club's halftime show.
Yikes. And now you're here?
And now I'm here. And now I'm here. But I won't be for much longer. Adios, amigo.
Whoa, wait! Mr. Matthew McConaughey, sir, don't jump. You have so much to live for. Think of your family.
Yo, don't worry about me, hermano. You ever seen one of my movies before? You know, Interstellar, The Dark Tower, Dazed and Confused. I do all my own stunts.
Yeah, I've seen them, but didn't they CGI you into space?
No way, Jose. I'm an actor.
Mr. McConaughey, Matthew, I can't let you do this.
Yeah, but it'd be a lot cooler if you did.
No way. Let me help you over, please. There must be something I can do to help you.
Fine. I won't jump, but I just need a way to escape these burnt orange bozos.
Sir, it is literally a scout's duty to help those in need. It would be an honor to help you escape.
Thank you, little scout man. I appreciate your bravery, but UT fans aren't anything to mess with.
UT fans are nothing to me. In my house, we bleed maroon.
Oh, you're breaking my heart, little Aggie Scout man. I mean, everyone is entitled to their opinion, but that's just wronger than a blizzard on a 4th of July.
Way to ditch the project, dingus. Some of us need to work to finish these benches, while your lazy bud is over here talking to McConaughey. Hey, aren't you Matthew McConaughey?
All right. Another fan.
It's an honor, sir. I'm a huge fan. I appreciate all of your community efforts. I hope to take one of your classes at UT someday.
All right. I like you a lot more, smart little scout man. Thank you for your service. You wouldn't happen to have seen an angry mob, right? Tons of angry UT basketball fans, a little angry grandma whose eyes are full of disappointment and regret.
Well, now that you mention it, there were some UT fans over on the sidewalk where I was working, but...
There's McConaughey! Get him!
Shoot, they found me. Sorry, little Aggie Scout, I have no choice right now. Help me get over the rail.
No, wait, Matthew, don't jump. What if they can swim? They could still catch you if the brain-eating amoeba don't kill you first.
You're right. Darn it, you're right. I forgot other people could swim. Let's make a run for it.
No, quick, jump on this lime scooter.
All right. Will this work?
Just trust me. I'll steer, you hang on tight.
Wait! Danny, you can't leave. Well, what about our benches? We can't be Eagle Scouts if we don't finish.
I'm sorry, Ryan. You just have to make those benches without me. I'm switching my project. Tell the council I'm preserving a natural treasure!
Hasta la vista, little scout man. Give my love to your mother and remember the Alamo!
No! Wait! Danny! Daniel! God damn it. I'll never become an Eagle Scout now. Damn you, Danny. And damn you, Matthew McConaughey!